All right, we're going into a set of exercises that are the summation of all of our geometry that we've studied. And so we thought it might be worthwhile to go back and review some. So we're going to review, first of all, the circumference of a circle. Remember that the circumference is the distance around the circle. It's as if you could snip the circle and lay it out as a straight line. It would be the length of that straight line. And there are two versions of the formula. If you are given the radius of a circle, then you can use circumference is 2 times pi times the radius. If instead you are given the diameter of the circle, then the circumference is simply pi times the diameter, because the two radii make up the diameter. And we will do it sometimes using an approximation of 3.14, and sometimes we'll leave the pi in there. So we will look at those, and we've done this before. So let's do just a couple. Find the circumference of the circle, give the exact circumference, and then an approximation. So I've got a two-part problem. All right, let me give myself some workspace. All right, what are you given? First of all, you're given the diameter. Since this is the diameter, we're going to choose circumference is pi d. All right, for the exact. Now the exact we leave in terms of pi. So all we're going to have is circumference is pi times 8 centimeters. We're going to rewrite that as 8 pi centimeters. This is what we will type in, and you'll get the pi symbol from your toolbar. Now the approximate, you're going to let pi be approximately 3.14. So we've got C is pi d, so C is approximately 3.14 times 8 centimeters. So grab my calculator, and I get that the circumference is approximately 25.12 centimeters. This one is exact, and this one is approximate. All right, let's look at number 2. All right, once again, I have a circle, and I am given that the diameter is 31 meters. So I choose C is equal to pi d. When it asks for exact, C is equal to pi d. So it is pi times 31 meters. Just rewrite that for 31 pi meters. And there's your exact meters. For approximate, you're going to still use pi d, but you're going to say that the circumference is approximately 3.14 times the diameter of 31 meters. Calculator, 3.14 times 31 gives me the circumference is approximately 97.34 meters. There we go. 2 answers for that one. And I think we're going to skip number 3. It's just more of the same. Let's go down to number 4. Whoops. And it says, Wiley Robinson just bought a trampoline for his children to use. The trampoline has a diameter of 18 feet. If Wiley wishes to put up netting to go around the outside of the trampoline, how many feet of netting does he need? Give the exact and then the approximate. All right, so if you're looking down at the trampoline, it looks like this. He's going to put netting around it. Please excuse my bad picture. and we are told that the diameter is 18 feet. So this is really just like the first two. For exact, by the way, if that's diameter, we're going to use circumference is pi d. All of these seem to have the diameter in this exercise. So circumference is pi times 18 feet. The circumference is, put the 18 in front, pi feet. That's how many feet we will need of the fencing, of the netting. But good luck going to the store and asking for 18 pi feet of something. They're going to want the approximate. So it's still, the circumference is still pi d, but we're going to say that it is approximately 3.14 times 18 feet. So it is approximately 3.14 times 18 on my calculator, 56.52 feet. This is a rounded answer, but it's a little more useful if I'm going to the store to buy something. So this lesson was total review from a previous exercise.